This small creature with beautiful feathers is called Anchiornis. It is leisurely foraging in the forest, feeding mainly on insects. But it does not realize that it has also become someone else's meal. A juvenile Sinraptor quietly approaches. Although still young, hunting Anchiornis poses no challenge for it. Driven by hunger, it has already locked onto its target. The chase begins in an instant. Anchiornis darts desperately through the forest, but its speed and endurance are no match for its pursuer. Very soon, Anchiornis is forced to the edge of a cliff. Behind it lies a bottomless abyss. In front of it, a predator watching intently. There is no way out. But Anchiornis ran here on purpose. At the very moment Sinraptor prepares to deliver the fatal strike, Anchiornis leaps from the cliff. This is not surrender. It is rebirth. It spreads the feathers on its limbs and begins to glide through the air. This clumsy first step is a giant leap in the evolutionary history of dinosaurs.